Oil pastels can be used to color uh, fruits, sunsets, and yes. But I thought I'd try. So this is my previous attempt, which ended up looking like Megamind. Attempt number two. So this time, I'm not even going to try to make the proportions correct because it's Venom, and first of all, his head doesn't make sense at all. So why would I even try to make it make sense? I mean, he's a beast, so I'll draw him like a beast. Yeah. And also to those who wanna try this, I mean, I do not recommend it. It just makes a lot of mess, and I prefer color pencils or markers, alcohol markers over this. But if you are committed to trying this, here are my tips. If you're drawing something, draw it big because it is quite hard to put in small details with these. So draw big anything you are trying to color. Learn some basic color theory at least, like all pastels will perform to its full potential when you use color theory. Use something to scrape off to add small highlights or details because I was given this plastic with this bag so I could use it, make these small highlights, and it has a huge impact on your artwork. For blending, you could use Q-tips, or you could use white, or you could just rub the colors each other and try to blend. The best tip I could give you is to put down the phone, obviously after watching this video, but put down the phone and pick up those old pesos and experiment over a rough page or a cheap paper because that's the only way you can learn. That's the truth. No one can teach you. So stop doom scrolling and get your ass to work. If you want me to make videos over anything related to art, like tutorials or any other stuff, I will make them. Just comment and I'll make it for you because I'm a small channel.